Once again, welcome my good people, and thank you for always coming back and watch our videos. For those of you who are new here, this is Rook Urban, and in our today's video we are exploring Kakamega town. Once again, I welcome you to this channel, and please consider subscribing to this channel because we are going to create more videos about various towns in the world. And the first thing here, let's look at the different roads leading to Kakamega town. So this is mega mall hosting different businesses, and it's a clear indication that we are close to the town. So this is the road connecting Kakamega from Webuye town. There we got our main roundabout leading to town. Another entrance to Kakamega town is the road coming from Kisumu. Using this route, you will pass along Absa Bank, Kakamega branch, and Huduma Center. Thank you for watching our videos, and by subscribing to this channel, you encourage us to create more content like this. Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. This is the third road linking to Kakamega from Mias town. So along this road, you will join Kakamega town through Kenyatta Avenue. So there is another video about Kenyatta Avenue in this channel, and please check it in the description below. And the road coming from Shinyalu is our fourth link to Kakamega town in this review. So with this road, you will join Kakamega town using a Malemba roundabout. So let's see how Kakamega town looks like. Thank you for watching our videos, and by subscribing to this channel, you encourage us to create more content like this. Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. So let's move towards the marketplaces of this town. So this is the market of Kakamega town. As you can see, traders are selling different products ranging from clothing, households, and different products. So next to this market, there is a bus station. This is where residents of Kakamega book their tickets to different parts of the country, including Nairobi. We've exhausted the market, and let's move away from this place. So we joined the famous street of Kakamega, Kano Naor Street. So this is Kano Naor Street. Thank you for watching our videos, and by subscribing to this channel you encourage us to create more content like this. Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. We will not end this video without going to Juakali sectors in this town. So let's follow Maziwa Road. So we are back in the main streets of the town. Let me show you gates of Masinde Muliro University and Bohongo Stadium. Thank you for watching our videos, and by subscribing to this channel you encourage us to create more content like this. Give us your thoughts in the comment section below. And then this is Huduma Center. Thank you for watching this video up to this end, and please consider subscribing to this channel. Leave your comments below.